Class 4, Personal Safety, PPE, and Job Site Risks. Welcome to Class 4. Before we touch any tools, let's talk about safety. This job is not a video game. One wrong move, and you can get shocked, burned, or seriously injured. That's why every great technician knows safety comes first, always. Let's start with the basics. PPE, Personal Protective Equipment. Here's what you need every time you're on the job. Safety glasses. Protect your eyes from dust, sparks, and chemicals. Gloves, for sharp metal edges and hot parts. Steel-toe boots. Heavy tools and condensers can crush your toes. Long sleeves in pants, especially when brazing or working in tight spaces. Ear protection, for loud compressors or vacuum pumps in closed spaces. Now let's talk about job site awareness. Risk 1, electrical shock. You're working with 120 volts, 240 volts, sometimes even more. One mistake and it can be fatal. Always test before touching. Use a multimeter. Turn off the breaker. Lock it out if needed. Risk 2, chemical exposure. Refrigerants, oils, and cleaners can irritate your skin or lungs. Never breathe in refrigerant directly, and always work in ventilated areas. Risk 3, cuts and burns. Sheet metal is sharp. Brazing torches are hot. Stay focused and never rush the job. Risk 4, falls and ladders. You'll work in attics, rooftops, and tight crawl spaces. Always secure your ladder, wear non-slip shoes, and don't carry too much when climbing. Risk 5, heat and exhaustion. Most of your work is outside. In Florida, Texas, or California, stay hydrated, take breaks, and listen to your body. Here's your mindset moving forward. You are a professional, and professionals don't take shortcuts with safety. It protects your life, your reputation, and your income.